Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to be making this Cowboy Chilli. Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or are you just here for the recipes? Don't forget to subscribe. So to make our chilli, we're going to be using our Cowboy stove. We've got 1.5 kilos of beef brisket. We're just going to put that in there. Then we're going to top it up with 1 litre of beef stock. To this we're going to add 6 whole black peppercorns, two dried chillies, and 2 bay leaves. Get the lid on. We're going to bring this up to a gentle simmer, and we're going to simmer it for about 3 hours. Halfway through, I'm just going to turn the beef and let it go. I'm just keeping an eye on our heat in the Cowboy stove. We don't want too much heat on it because we're just looking for the gentle simmer. So after 3 hours, our brisket is done. I'm just going to take this out. I'm going to cube it up. Important thing is to keep this stock because we will be using it. So into the Cowboy stove we've got 2 tablespoons of veg oil. We're going to add 2 chopped onions. I'm just going to let these cook away for a couple of minutes just until they turn soft and translucent. We don't really want any colour on them. Just going to push the onions to the side, and then we're going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves, which we're just going to cook out for about a minute. I'm happy with them. I'm just going to combine it together. Then we're going to add 1 chopped red pepper. Let's combine this in. Just let this cook the pepper out for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to start adding beans. I've got 1 tin of red kidney beans. These have actually got a chilli sauce on, but you can use it without a chilli sauce. I then got 1 tin of black-eyed beans. You can use any beans you like for this. Then I'm going to add 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. These all combined in together. We've already had the pepper in the stock, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt to this. Got 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 tablespoons of Chipotle Paste. This is going to give our heat and a little bit depth of smoke to it. We'll combine them all up together again. What we're going to do now is going to put the lid on. We're going to bring this up to a gentle simmer. And once we're at the gentle simmer, we're going to start adding our beef back. So while this has been coming up to the simmer, we've diced our beef brisket. Put that in the pot. Stir it in. So this mixture is looking a bit thick at the moment. So we're going to take some of that beef stock that we reserved from earlier on. I'm going to add some of that in. I've got about 500 mils here. I'm going to add about 250 mils, half of it, to see how we go. If it starts drying out during the cooking, we'll add some more beef stock in. Now we're going to get the lid on and we're going to simmer this for 1.5 hours. So there we have it. After 1.5 hours, I didn't add any extra beef stock. Our Cowboy Chilli is ready. So that's Dutchy's Cowboy Chilli, simply served with some boiled rice, grated cheese, sliced spring onions and some red chillies. If you like what we're doing here with Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.